The high today was 93. The record is 102, set back in 1912. So we're starting to see those triple-digit records show up more and more. That's just how it is from here on through basically October, maybe even longer in some instances. 74 degrees was the low this morning. The normals are 91 and around 74. Right now it's 92. Feels like 95 when you factor in the humidity with south winds at 6 miles an hour. There's just the lightest of breeze that we have today. Pollen, hickory and grass are low and fungus is low. Again, we've had, the grass is thriving. You've seen how beautiful and green it is. So we still have grass pollen that lingers through at least midsummer. North Texas is quiet. I want to go out to the tropics, a couple of areas that we're watching. You see this little disturbance off the coast of the Carolinas. That has a low chance of becoming the first named tropical system of the year in the Atlantic, and that's not looking good, about a 20% chance. Nothing here yet of note in the western Gulf of Mexico, however. There's that one, 20%. There will be eventually, and that one's going to have about a 40% chance of developing over the next 7 days. That may go up a little bit. We will see. And if it does develop, and it would be right on time. We're here now in hurricane season. We're getting, we're at the very beginning of it. But if it does develop, that would be Alberto, the first named storm in the Atlantic. Here's what we're expecting at 7 o'clock Saturday. You'll see an area of disturbed weather near the Yucatan. That lifts north. You see the Gulf moisture, obviously right over the Gulf of Mexico. You start to see this Gulf moisture, thunderstorm activity. It will try to become more organized by the end of the weekend and early next week. With the pumping up of Gulf moisture, that will stream into Texas, especially along the coast. But Monday afternoon, Monday evening, I can't rule out a pop-up shower or thunderstorm in North Texas. The coverage would be very, very low. The highest chance to see any rain out of this is likely going to be in the southeastern corner of East Texas and obviously down the coast as well, maybe even into hill country. So you see how this southeast corner, it could be an inch, maybe 1 to 2 inches of rain. Down along the coast, it's 3 to 5 inches of rain. The farther northwest into hill country you get, the lower rain totals you see. And then here in North Texas, the next 7-day rainfall does not look impressive. A trace to maybe a quarter of an inch, and that's pushing it for a lot of folks. We are kind of in that heat, that summer-like pattern where it just stays stagnant and hot. 96 Saturday, 95 for Father's Day, 93 Monday, Tuesday 94. These temperatures are not that dramatically far from the norm. The norm is 92. We're going to be 1 to 4 degrees above that over the next 5 days, and that heat will continue even beyond, and the low rain chances will too. Mostly clear skies, warm, dry with light winds. 75 tonight with winds out of the southeast 5 to 10. Tomorrow, it's a mostly sunny day. It'll be hot like today, just a couple of degrees warmer, dry, light winds, heat index values about 100. So no big surprises tomorrow. It's going to feel just like today did. There's the next 7 of the 14. 94 on Monday. Juneteenth, there's a chance for a spotty shower or thunderstorm with that Gulf moisture trying to move into North Texas. Right now, I've got 10%. If we're lucky, we up it to 20. But right now we're going to keep it at 10. Beyond that, very few rain chances in the 14-day forecast. Maybe we'll introduce a couple toward the end of June. High temperature wise, 95 to 98. It's roasting.